Hi, this is Ryan from Finale Inventory, and today we'll be discussing Finale's new category feature. In the past, with categories, the category must exist within Finale first before you assign it to a product ID. Now, Finale has created a new category creation feature which allows you to create categories on the fly. So the first thing I'd like to point out is if we go to our stock page, we're going to see that we have no products in this account at this time. And if we were to go into our application settings and to our products tab, we will see that we do not have any categories as well. Now, this is the setting that you'll need if you need to enable or disable the legacy category features. When this feature is enabled, this means that the category must exist prior to assigning it to a product ID via a spreadsheet. Now, if we disable legacy categories, we're going to be able to create these categories on the fly or through using this little link right here. Now let's save those changes and let's go into the spreadsheet that I've already created for this example. So we're going to have the three first products that are going to be added to this account, and in addition to that, we're going to have the categories that these products exist within. So what we're going to do is copy this information, and we are going to go back into Finale and import this now. So we're going to go do a product import. We're going to paste the information, and we'll hit next and commit. At this point, the products will be created, and what I'll do is I'm just going to refresh my browser so we can make sure that we have all the latest information. Now, if we're looking at our stock page, for example, we have all three products, and in addition to that, we also have the categories that were created. Now, that is how we create those categories on the fly, but one additional feature that we do have as well is the ability to remove the category. And what you'll do is go back to that same product tab, and what you'll notice is you do have the ability to remove the category that was created. So this is also a new feature. With legacy categories, there is no removal. That is not possible. However, now with our new feature, you can remove these categories if you so choose, just by clicking that X there and saving your changes. Now, I hope you thought this video was helpful. If you do have any more questions on this topic, please feel free to reach out to Finale at service@finaleinventory.com.